Hi, this is Dave from Automation Devices, and we got a brand new topic to go over with you today. We thought we'd talk to you about one of the options that we have, and those are fabricated stainless bowls. We know that a lot of our customers recognize that we have cast aluminum that are available to you that you can buy off the shelf and ready for you to tool for your specific part. Very cost effective and a great way to save some money. But what if cast aluminum isn't the right application? What if you need something that you still want to tool yourself, be a little more cost effective, but you need it to be made out of stainless? Well, we have those available too. And as you can see here, these are some of the smaller versions. What we have here is a straight wall stainless bowl, and we have a cascade stainless bowl. And these are untooled. As you can see, there's no tooling in the bowl. It's just the basic core of the bowls of each of the styles. And we can do these in a much quicker time. And then you can save some money. You can do the tooling yourself. And it's a much more cost-effective way to put a much more durable surface and to tool it for your particular part using stainless. We can certainly make these in whatever sizes you need. So if you needed this, say, in a 24-inch bowl, or maybe you needed a half-inch track, or maybe you needed a 2-inch wide track, any of those specs, we can make those specifically for you, and then you can do the finished tooling yourself. But this is a little bit more cost-effective way than going to a fully custom-built system, and it also allows you to do the tooling yourself if that's something that you guys have the skill set to do. So we wanted to go over that with you and show you the differences and give you that option, let you know if you have a need where you want it to be a little more cost-effective, do some of the tooling yourself, you have that option. So if you've got any questions, give us a call. We'll be glad to help you out.